Hello friends, in this video we are trying to getting all these approved reviews and ratings in Magento 2. So let's start the tutorial. If suppose there is only a product that is testing, so let's check this testing product and do some ratings on from the front end. So let me sign in. Let me just do the ratings. Testing.html. So here we can see there are how many reviews are there. So it will not show until I think I am not logged in. So let's logged in, sign in. Raj 9, I guess this gonna work. So I'm logged in with this. Let's see how many reviews it has. So let's take a review on this testing product. I'm putting 3, 2, 5 and nugget. Nice. Submit. So I have submitted one review. Okay. So let's see review is coming or not. Let me log in with the game. So let's go to the marketing, all reviews. So it's pending. So let me make it approved. This is rating. Let's get it approved. Okay, save. So these are the reviews that we have already done on this product. There is one review that is reflecting over this product. Nice packaging. And what about the other reviews? Is it approved or it's customer product that is test on the product test, and this is product testing. So let's check how we can. This is one product. This is test two product, and this is no. I think this is different. So let's check how we can get the reviews. So first of all, I have created get all ratings. So this is basically get all ratings modules, and here I'm just getting the parameter product ID, and after that I'm getting the product helper rating collect. So going to the product helper, this is my product helper class. Here I'm just passing the product ID, and with product ID I have just using the review factory to get the reviews, and again we have the collection, get the items to get the how many ratings that we are giving to the product. So this after getting fetching this rating collection, let me vote, let me calculate the whole process percentage how many ratings that we are given, and after getting that it will bind into the results, and if there is no ratings found then it will return false. Okay, so let's check. I've already run all the commands, so this no need to uh, to add. Sometimes if you're trying to get this error type error occur creating an object this, so this is because of that your composer is not trying to your compile command, you haven't run it, or the object is not created in the generated folder, so you need to rerun the compile command, and after that you will see this will error will gone. Okay, so let's check. This is product ID, packaging 4, price 4, value 4. Let's compare it. If I put product ID 1, there is one rating that is good, nice. So let's compare the ratings. Here we have 4 packaging 4, we have 4, price we have 4, value is 2, value is 2, and the quality is 3. Quality is 3. And what we have rated, that is title is good, description is nice. So this is how we can get the ratings. So total rating it would be 3.3 by testing and the reviews we are getting in. So this is how we can get the reviews and ratings from the Magento to via REST API. So this is how if I put product 2, I want product 2 ratings, it will come there. This is the ratings that we have already given to that product. That is this one. So this is testing. So this is how we are getting this product rating. So let's check whether this product has the, this is testing. Let's put the test.html. How many ratings they have. Let's do reviews. See, we have the 2 reviews. This and this. This is how we can get the reviews by REST API in Magento 2. Hope you will like this video. And if you have any query, just please let us know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you.